The installation and configuration of environments can become difficult to manage as the number of servers increases. That's why we use Ansible, an automation tool that speeds up configuration, installation, and deployments across multiple distributed environments. Ansible allows us to configure servers and workstations running on Windows or Linux. First, we specify the names of the remote hosts, which can be grouped by environments. Then, we create a playbook which contains the instructions to be executed. For example, downloading files, installing a tool, or modifying configuration files. With a simple script, Ansible allows us to install complete environments, including the various tools needed. We use the command Ansible playbook to start the installation. We can also specify the playbook to use, as well as the inventory which contains the variables. Ansible Vault allows us to create and use encrypted files, so as not to expose confidential information, such as passwords. Before installing this test environment, we followed the same steps to install and configure the database and the EMS server. TIBCO BW6 was correctly installed on both machines. We have configured both BW agents to be in the same agent network. We can check in the administrator. We notice that the first agent is started and registered successfully. The domain, AppSpace, and app nodes were also created by Ansible. Note that the app nodes were created by two different agents, and therefore our AppSpace spans several machines. For more information, please feel free to contact us.